Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this hair that I have on right now. This gorgeous hair. See fam, I am not one for braided wigs. Like, I don't like them. I remember this last Christmas, my mom was trying to shove one down my throat. I was like, I don't want. And the reason why I don't like them is because they always come with a closure, and at the end of the day, they always look artificial to me. But this one here that I have on my head is a game changer. It's changed everything for me because like, look at, guys, this thing looks like, look at the side here. It looks like it's been done on my head. You guys should see now. Follow me and see. It looks like it's been done on my head, and this to me makes all the difference. This particular wig that I have on right now, this unit is from Elise hair, and this one is the Amaka wig. And Elise is a Nigerian company, but they ship worldwide. They ship to Canada, the US, the UK, and most African countries. So I'm going to leave all their details down somewhere here and in the description box as well. The process of taking this wig out and putting it on my head and styling it, it was so short and easy and simple. So if you want to see how I achieved this, irrespective of the fact that I didn't even do that much, please keep watching. Okay, so the hair was delivered to me via DHL, and inside this bag you get another bag, and this is the regular and Elise real hair bag. I've used hair from this company before, and their logo and everything hasn't changed. It's still the same. And inside this bag you get an extra elastic band, just in case something happens to the one that the hair comes with. And this is the hair. This hair was made with color 2 extensions and in the length 16 and 18. I already said this in the beginning, but this particular unit, this particular hair is called the Amaka wig, okay? I am just running my hands through it to get rid of any knots or tangles because the braids are so tiny and so well done. And you guys can see from the inside that it is so neat in here. Everything was done nicely, sewn together well, and the bands were also attached nicely. So you can always adjust the bands if for any reason at all, like they are too big or you feel like it doesn't fit properly. You can sew them down on the sides to make them fit better. I'm putting the wig on now for the first time just to see how it fits and to adjust the lace and all of that. You guys can see that it was so easy to put this on. And you can see that after I put it on the first time, there is like extra lace in front, which I'm going to get rid of in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to just start by pulling the lace down to make sure that I just see how this wig will fit on my head. And once I'm done pulling it down, I am going to take the wig off again. And I'm going to go in with a small scissors. I like to do this with a small cosmetic scissors. I don't want to use the regular, or I don't like using the regular scissors because I don't want to cut off too much lace at once. I want to have control, and the smaller scissors, it always gives me control. So after I've taken off the excess lace, this is what I have. You guys can see that this is neat. So I'd recommend you use a smaller scissors. You guys can also see that I've applied some foundation on the side where I will have my parting, and this is because it just makes it look a lot more natural, makes it look like scalp. So it's a tip. Apply a little bit of foundation where you're going to have your part. I'm going to go in with this got to be glue here, and I'm going to apply this underneath the lace and on my edges as well. And this is just going to help everything look laid and flat under there. Okay. I'm going to go in with a brush once I am done, and I'm going to use this to just comb my own edges and the little baby hairs that you get with the wig as well. I'm using a hose, and I'm using this to tie this down. Yes, a hose. This is the best thing to use to lay your edges, just hose that you cut up. And I'm going to tie it up and leave it for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, I'm going to take it off. So this is me after 10 minutes. I'm going to go on ahead and take it off now. You guys will see how like laid and flat everything looks. And this will not move till you're ready to take it off. It's not going to flake off, just roll up. It's going to stay put. After this, what I normally do at this point is to just start styling the hair. I like to wear it in different ways. This is one way that I like to wear it. I have like 4 different ways that I like to wear it. You guys can see as I'm talking because I'm just going to keep showing the different ways I like to wear it. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. This is one of the best looking braided wigs that I have ever seen in my life. So if you're interested in this wig, I'm going to leave a direct link to the wig itself in the description box and a direct link to the Elise website in the description box. By the way, just so you guys know, the last two styles are my favorite. Pulling it all to one shoulder and tying it up like this, I live for these two styles. I'll see you guys in my next video.